Next, we got a 1985 Chevy Caprice Classic. She has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Mileage reached a little over 22,000. Interior is nice and clean. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. Let's check her out. It's one nice box Chevy, guys. Check out that top. Check out the interior. It's hard to find them this clean. The headliner. Check out how clean that dash is. So y'all can see the mileage reached a little over 22,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 4-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. Y'all know what time it is. Let's start this bad baby up. Fire right up. If y'all want to check out the more detailed video on her, go and visit Rolling Museum's YouTube channel. And make sure y'all visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. And we have financing available. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one and stay tuned for the next one.